Did you know that behind the famous car brand Audi, there's an inspiring story that began with a young boy working in a blacksmith's workshop? Today, we're going to learn about August Horch, the founder of Audi, one of the most famous luxury car brands in the world. We'll see how this young German boy went from helping his dad in a small blacksmith shop to starting a brand known for its luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned until the end, because this isn't just a story about cars. It's a story about perseverance, ingenuity, and the drive that turns dreams into empires. It's the year 1878 in the small town of Winningen, Germany. A 10-year-old boy named August Horch works in his father's workshop, helping him forge horseshoes, plows, and farming tools. August spends hours learning how to handle tools and metal, developing discipline and a passion for mechanical creation from a very young age. This experience in the blacksmith shop sparked his interest in mechanics and precision work. Although his family had little money, August had big dreams. He knew that if he wanted to achieve something great, he had to study. Despite the long work days, he dedicated his free time to learning everything he could about how tools and machines worked. This determination led him to enroll years later in the WWII technical school, where he studied mechanical engineering. What he had learned in his father's workshop would be the foundation of his education. After graduating, August Horch started working in various workshops and factories in Germany, gaining practical experience in mechanical design and manufacturing. But his real opportunity came when he got a job at the company of Carl Benz, the founder of Mercedes-Benz. During his years with Benz, August immersed himself in the world of automobiles, participating in the design and manufacturing of cars. It was a time of invaluable learning, where Horch soaked up knowledge and also made important contacts in the industry. Although Horch valued his time at Benz, differences of opinion soon arose. Carl Benz had a very conservative vision of how his company should operate, while August was a daring young man with innovative ideas and a desire to experiment with new designs and technologies. After a few years, August decided it was time to go his own way and start his own company. In 1899, at the age of 31, August Horch founded his first company, called Horch and Sear in Cologne. With the financial support of investors who believed in his ideas, Horch began manufacturing automobiles under his own brand. His experience with Benz had given him a good reputation, and his designs stood out for their quality and engine innovation. However, this company was not an easy road. August faced a series of problems with his investment partners, who did not always agree with his ideas and decisions. These tensions led Horch to sell his shares and withdraw from the company he had founded. Although it was a hard blow, Horch didn't give up. August Horch decided to found a new company in 1909. This time, however, he couldn't use his own last name, as it was registered by his previous company. That's when the name Audi emerged. The choice of name was ingenious. Horch means listen in German, and Audi is the Latin translation of that word. Thus, the name Audi represented both his identity and a statement of his willingness to continue innovating. In addition, by partnering with 3 other manufacturers, Wanderer, DKW, and Horch, they created the iconic logo of the 4 interlocking rings, representing this union. The Audi emblem is now recognized worldwide as a symbol of quality, luxury, and performance, and its cars have been synonymous with innovation ever since. Under the vision of August Horch, Audi quickly began to gain recognition. In 1914, Audi became the first company in Germany to manufacture cars with the steering wheel on the left, which improved visibility and control. This design would become the standard in the automotive industry and marked Audi's first major innovative milestone. During World War I, Audi manufactured engines for the German army, which gave it a privileged position in the industry, and at the end of the war, Audi began to specialize in luxury cars, being the direct competitor of Mercedes-Benz. Audi cars were known for their comfort, elegance, and the quality of their components. But the company's growth was not easy. With the outbreak of World War II, Audi's factories were expropriated and destroyed by the Soviet army. Post-war reconstruction and acquisition by Volkswagen. After World War II, the area of Germany where Audi's factories were located came under Soviet control, which meant the loss of all its facilities. For years, Audi was on the verge of disappearing, without factories and without resources. It wasn't until 1958, when Daimler-Benz acquired a portion of Audi's shares, that the company began to regain its market position. However, the real revival of Audi occurred in 1964, when Volkswagen acquired the majority of the company's shares. Under Volkswagen's administration, Audi began to modernize and develop new models that attracted a wider audience. Models like the Audi 100 and Audi 80 became bestsellers and helped Audi position itself as a leading brand in the luxury automotive industry. Innovations and successes in the world of motor racing. Audi not only excelled in the luxury car market, but also in motorsports. In 1980, Audi revolutionized the world of rallying with the launch of the Audi Quattro, the first production car to use four-wheel drive. This innovation was revolutionary and allowed Audi to dominate rally competitions for several years. Quattro all-wheel drive became one of the brand's most important technologies and is still a hallmark of Audi today. Also, in 1989, Audi introduced the first TDI, turbo diesel injection engine, another innovation that would change the automotive industry by combining performance and efficiency in a single engine. Audi continued to innovate, developing high-end cars that blended power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Audi in the 21st century and the electric future. With the turn of the century, Audi maintained its reputation for innovation and luxury. In 2011, Audi achieved record sales, exceeding 1 million cars sold in a single year. In the field of sports cars, the Audi R8 established itself as an icon in the supercar market. And in the field of technology, Audi has continued to implement advanced connectivity and autonomous driving systems. But perhaps the most significant advance in recent times has been the development of electric vehicles. In 2020, Audi launched the e-tron and e-tron Sportback models, its first fully electric cars. With these models, Audi seeks to lead the transformation towards sustainable mobility and is positioned as a key brand in the automotive industry of the future. Audi, the brand that began with the dream of a young boy in a small blacksmith shop in Germany, is today an empire of luxury and technology. The story of August Horch and Audi is proof that hard work, passion, and innovation can transform any idea into a global success. Since its founding, Audi has been synonymous with elegance, power, and perfection, and its emblem of the four rings is recognized throughout the world. Could you imagine that behind every Audi on the road, there is a story of effort and vision? The next time you see one, remember the legacy of August Horch, the blacksmith boy who became the founder of one of the most important car brands in the world. Leave us your comments about this fascinating story, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Audi. See you in the next video.